as we get ready to celebrate Jamaica's 60 years of independence. Did you know Jamaica became the first tropical nation to participate in the Winter Olympics? Yeah, man, that we did enter the bobsled and all that led to the film called Cool Runnings. Yes, Winter Olympics, Jamaica. But talk about that. Today, today, the Special Olympics is opening here in the USA. And I tell you, we have a delegation of 22 in the Special Olympics. I tell you, no, we little but we talawa, we in everything, and we just pray that we will rise to the occasion. Things like these, My nanny Lynn used to say, one no dead, no call, no pee. Don't give up. Pan people underestimate them resilience. So we that as a country, we little but we talawa. Yes, we are we bonononos people. Winter Olympics, Special Olympics, all the track and field, the soccer and everybody. Look, man, we are a force to be reckoned with. Happy 60th, Jamaica. So, what good? And stay hip your ear, humble, intentional, and prepared. Yes, man, I am Dr. Sue, and I am a cultural ambassador. Me here to help keep we culture alive. Follow me. Follow me on my website, drsueandyou.com. That's the letter U, DRSUEAND, the letter U.com. Me on Instagram, Dr. Sue D, and Twitter and Facebook, Dr. Sue and you. Look out for me, all right? Come together and make we keep this rich culture alive. Ay, ay, ay.